Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, I wanted to give you a little heads up on what to do when you're coming to buy a property. Now, a lot of times people go, well, I'm going to go over and look, at a property and blah blah blah, and they come over and they get with an agent and they go around and they look and stuff like that, and they go, oh, we want to buy, but they're really not ready to buy. So I'm going to give you a little checklist of things you need to have in order and ready to go if you're going to buy. And if you're only coming over to look at the area, don't get a real estate agent, because honestly, it's not like in the US. In the US, you can get a buyer's agent and they will take you around and they can help you buy from whatever other agency, but it's not that way here. So these guys here have their own inventory. They can only sell their own inventory most of the time. And if you don't find what you want with them while you're here, you go to another agent. So it's not really worth their while to come take you and show you a bunch of things if you're not ready to buy right away. Yep. So it can end up being a huge waste of their time, and that's really how they look at it because of the situation and the way the system is set up. That said, here's your checklist. The first thing you need to do is get a codice fiscale. Even if you're only looking at the regions and the areas, you never know what you're going to find. You may find something that absolutely speaks to you, and if you don't have your codice fiscale, that can be a lengthy process to get it depending on how you're trying to get it, or it can be costly if you want to get it urgently. So that's the first thing you need to do. The second thing you need to do is make sure that your money's ready to go. It doesn't have to be liquidated or taken out of an account that you can't take it out of right away, that kind of thing. You need to make sure that's all ready, and you need to have a Wise account set up or some kind of bank transfer account where you can send wire transfers back and forth, because nothing is ever a done deal until money changes hands, especially a compromesso, which is the promise to buy and the promise to sell. So those are the things you have to have ready, and always assume that you're going to buy, even if you're just going to look, because you never know what you're going to find. And you don't want to lose out on something because you've got months to go to get everything in order to make the purchase. Properties do change over pretty quick here. They do sell, especially the really nice ones, especially the ones that are high value and that kind of thing. They tend to move, so it's good to be ready to go whenever you come over. And if you don't need your stuff at that time, well, you've got it done for the next trip over. So I hope that helps you guys. Obviously, today is not a good day for house hunting, but it's going to clear up in the next few days, and we're off and rolling once again. See you soon.